Very good morning, class 3rd. Today, on 28th December, we will revise our chapter 8. Chapter 8 is about length. Chapter 8 is about length. Now, length. What do you mean by this? Length means how much an object is long, right? How much an object is long, that will be called its length. What we call that? That called its length. So students, see, this is a marker and this one is duster, right? So here, with the help of this, I will draw the shape of the marker. Like this is a duster. So this side will tell you how much it is long, or this side will tell you about the length of the duster. Length of duster, right? Length of the duster. See, this is one book. This is the book, right? This side of the book, where it joins, in your book also, notebook also, this side you can tell how much the length of this book or this notebook, right? So length we measure always from this side. Clear? The close one in the notebook and books. In the register also we will measure the length on the closed sides. Clear? So length tell us about that how much an object is long. कोई भी जो object है बच्चा वो कितना long है. In Hindi what we call it? Length को हिंदी में बोलते हैं लंबाई. Like your height. Like height of mine is also that how much I tall. How much I tall, how much I long. That will tell the height, right? But जो height होती है, that with height is also the length of that body, length of that person. So जो height होती है, that is also we take in the length, right? But here length जो word है बेटा, हम वो basically use करते हैं non living things के लिए. Length word, height we use for living things, length we use for non-living things, and those who are more than meter, those who are more than meter we will call them in height, in distance. But वो भी क्या है आपका length ही होती है, that is also length. Like the distance, this is a point A and point B. This is, you will take it 5 centimeter. A rope is this. One side a boy is standing, second side B boy is standing. But length of this rope is 5 centimeter. Right? So this 5 centimeter will tell us about the length. And if we find, we know how much distance between these two people is 5 centimeter. So कहीं ना कहीं जो हमारा distance है, height है, ये सब किससे relate करते हैं? Length से, right बच्चे? Height, distance, they all related to the length. So clear? What is the length? Length, how much an object is long. Remember the point, length जो है वो basically हम non living things के लिए use करते हैं. Living things में क्या आ जाता है, वो height में changes हो जाते हैं. Living things में हम क्या करते हैं, length will change into height, right? Now, how you measure the length? How you measure the length? So students, we measure the length with the help of a scale. With the help of a scale. See, this one is the scale you are having. It has from 1 to 15. Remember one thing, the side which is having the digits, जिस साइड डिजिट्स होती है, that side will be of inches. वो क्या होती है? Inches, right? The side which is having that is inches, sorry, centimeter. The number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 15 where it is written that are in centimeter, and downside also some numbers are given like this. They are inches in your iron scale. In your iron scale or normal scale you are using. Ruler में क्या होता है? Upside centimeter, downside inches, which we use. So, whenever 2 points are given like A and point B, right? Point A and point B. And if anyone told you to measure the distance between these 2 points and how much they are, how much this rope is long, let it take it a rope AB, right? So if anyone asks how much it is long, how much it is long, so what you will do, beta? You will measure it with the help of scale, because क्या है, small one है. ज़्यादा long होती तो आप क्या help करते? You can add 2 scales. Easily you will measure, right? But here it is small, so we will measure it with the help of scale. So it will be 5 centimeter. Clear? So 5 centimeter is the length of this rope AB. I hope it is clear that length means how much a object is long. Clear my topic? Now, after this, come to the next topic, that is, after this, come to about the units, right? This is the way how you will measure the length of any rope with the help of ruler or scale. Now come to its unit. Which unit we will use to measure the length? Units of length. So students, units of length we use to measure the length, that are meter, centimeter, millimeter, right? These are the few units which we use to measure the length. Clear? You can take here decimeter also. So unit of length are meter, centimeter, millimeter and decimeter. Now come the topic which are SI units. About SI units I told you earlier also. SI unit means standard unit. SI unit means standard unit, or the unit which we use regularly. So from these meter, centimeter, millimeter and decimeter, Which unit you will choose in our day-to-day life? You are speaking the unit. When you go to the shopkeeper to purchase our cloth, so what you said there? Give me this color, 2 meter cloth, 3 meter cloth. And when you are taking rope for a walk, there also you will say that give me 2 meter rope, 6 meter rope, right? So what do you mean by this? It means SI unit of length is meter. SI unit of length is meter, right? After this, see this, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equals to 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter. Learn it. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter. And 1 decimeter equals to 1 decimeter equals to 10 centimeter. 1 decimeter equals to 10 centimeter, right? So ये जो है आपका सर्कल, that is centimeter, decimeter and meter. You will learn it like this. Smaller unit जो है सबसे, that is millimeter in length, but here we are not discussing millimeter. We will discuss centimeter, decimeter and meter. So from all these three, the smaller one is, what is the smaller one? That is centimeter. From these three, centimeter, decimeter, smaller one जो है बेटा वो है आपकी centimeter and bigger one is meter, right? Now come to this, centimeter to decimeter and decimeter to meter. Small to big, we learn division, right? Small to big, and every has the relation of 10. It is direct 100, 10 and then 10. 10 multiply with 10, 100. So centimeter को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करोगे, डिवाइड बाय 100. सेंटीमीटर टू डेसीमीटर डिवाइड बाय 10. डेसीमीटर टू मीटर डिवाइड बाय 10. Now small to big, we learn to multiply. Multiply with 10. Multiply with 10 and meter to centimeter multiply with 100. Clear students? Multiply when we convert, when we go big to small. Big to small, meter is big and centimeter is small. So we will multiply with 10. And we know 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So here we will multiply with 100, right? Draw this in your fair notebook and learn it. That SI unit of measuring the length is meter. 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. And 1 decimeter equals to, see, decimeter equals to 10 centimeter. Clear? This is about the units and how you will convert one unit to another one, right? If you want, in this you can learn kilometer also. आप इसमें further भी add कर सकते हैं. After meter, kilometer. And we know 1 kilometer equals to 100,000 meter. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So see, kilometer is bigger. So meter to small to big, divide by 1000, and big to small, multiply 1000, right? And this I told you earlier also how to choose that which number you have to multiply with. Clear बच्चे? This is about the units, right? These are the unit of expressing the weight, right? Now, after this, there are so many questions which are that for two operations are used together in one statement, either multiplication, addition given, addition, subtraction given. So how you will do this? So let's see that. You have to draw this in your notebook also. Now, see, one question is there, right? Like, subtract 3 kilometer 450 meter from 7 kilometer 650 meter, right? And after this, multiply the difference, by 5. So in this type of questions, what you will do, firstly see what is given in the statement, subtract, addition, these are there, either add it or subtract it. So firstly what we do, firstly we will subtract 3 kilometer 450 meter from 7 kilometer. It means this will come firstly like this. 3 kilometer will come after 450 meter. Now subtract it. Meter 0. 5 minus 5 0. 6 minus 4 2. Here will come kilometer. 7 minus 3 4. So that is 4 kilometer 200 meter. After this, what is given here, that multiply the difference by 5. So difference क्या होता है बेटा? Difference we call to the answer when we subtract two numbers, or the number you will get when you subtract the two number, that is the difference, right? This I will also write down. So this is the answer. It means this is what? Difference. Multiply the difference by 5. It means this we have to multiply with 5 meter. 5 multiply with 0. 5 0 0. 5 2 is 10. 0 will come here. 1 goes carry. Kilometer. 5 4 is 20. 20 plus 1 21. Your answer is 21 kilometer. Right? Clear? So firstly you will solve that, or you will do that operation, either subtraction, multiplication, addition, whatever जो भी आपको क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, फर्स्टली आप वो करेंगे बच्चे, देन मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवीजन गिवन है, राइट? नाउ you will confuse here what is difference, sum, product and quotient. So write down this. If you add two number, then answer is sum. आंसर जो भी आएगा what we call that, हम उसको क्या बोलेंगे, we call that sum. Next, when we subtract two number, what come here, that is the difference. Subtract करोगे जब आप दो numbers को, that is we call difference. If you will multiply two numbers, then answer we call product. What we call the answer? We call it product. Now, when you will divide two numbers, then its answer we call the quotient. Right? So this is very important. Note down this thing in your notebook. Whenever we add two numbers, the number we will get, that is the sum. When you subtract two numbers, that is the difference. When you multiply, then we will call it product, and when you divide, that is the quotient. Clear बच्चे? So whenever these types of questions are there, you have to see multiply the difference. Means firstly हमें क्या करना है? Firstly we have to subtract this, and whatever the answer that we have to multiply with 5. Right? So many questions are there of this type. Like first one more question, that is multiply the sum of. It means क्या multiply करना है आपको? Sum of. Question is multiply the sum of. So what do you mean by this sum of? Sum of means that you have to add the first two numbers. Firstly क्या करना है आपको? In the first one, add two numbers that are given. Because we know sum कब आता है? Sum when we add two numbers, right? So for this type of questions, what you have to do firstly, you will add these two numbers, and by 8 is given. So whatever be the sum, that firstly you will find the sum and then multiply by 8, right? Like one more question, multiply difference of. So difference means, students, firstly we have to subtract the two numbers and then we will multiply with the given number. Clear? Now our next topic, how you will estimate the length. So estimating means rounding off, right? So same it is also like the weight which we have done. See, like 33 meter 76 centimeter. So बच्चे हमें पता है what is the relation between these, meter and centimeter है 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. We have to round off in meter. right, in meter. So what I will do, I will make this 76 equals to 100, because if it converts into 100 centimeter, ये क्या हो जाएगा आपका 1 मीटर 33 में ऐड हो जाएगा एंड आंसर विल बी 34 मीटर, राइट. बट आप इसको कन्वर्ट कैसे करेंगे, दैट ऑल्सो हैज अ रूल. Either I will make it 0 to make the answer 33 meter, or I will make it 100 centimeter to make the answer 34 meter, right. But see, to make it 0, इसको 0 करने के लिए I have to subtract 76, right, and इसको 100 करने के लिए I have to plus 24. Which one is less? 76 or 24? 24 less है आपका, right? 24 is less. So I will make it 100, and 100 centimeter, it converts into 100 centimeter, and 100 equals to 1 meter. So 33 meter plus 1 meter equals to 34 meter. Right, बच्चे? 33 meter equals to plus 1 equals to 34 meter. Right? So this is the way to round off or estimate the length. Now see one more question that have the kilometer, like five kilometer and 420 meter, right. Now units है आपकी किलोमीटर and meter. We know the relation. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Kilowatt आ गया, it means 1000 meter. Now we have to round off nearest kilometer. So what I have to do, either मैं इस मीटर पार्ट को 0 करूँगी और I will make it equals to 1000, because अगर ये 1000 में कन्वर्ट होता है, if it converts into 1000 meter, it will convert into 1 kilometer, and kilometer 5 kilometer plus 1 equals to 6. But how you will convert this? For this, to make it equals to 0 and 1000, we will do one thing. See, to make it 0, I have to subtract for 20, then it will subtract, right, and to make it 1000 plus 580. See, 420 plus 580 equals to 0, 8 plus 2 10, 1 goes carry, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 1 10, right. So to make it 0, subtract or minus 420, and to make it 1000 plus 580. Which one is less, beta? 420 is less. So it means we will make it 0 meter, and 0 means this 5 kilometer will remain the same, which is as it is 5 kilometer, right. So this is about our today's topic of length. After this, if anyone have any problem in this topic, you can comment and you can ask. Clear, beta? And whatever I taught you in the today's video, that you have to write down in your fair notebook. Clear? After this, you can comment and you can ask your problem if you have in any question.